know if it'll be able to get you or not because of the headrest.
Oh.
Hey, listen, it's okay. You're along for the ride. That's what we're here for.
All right, guys. Y'all clear? Enjoy y'all here on Woodland Run.
Shines a lot better in the sun than the blue did. I like it. And it blends in with the trees. Yeah, it's really nice to watch. Here we go, everyone. The pre-cut drop. Yeah, that's a good. I like that.
That was steeper than ours.
I didn't notice that in the front, but then you notice it more in the back. Okay, that's something I actually need to. Oh wait, I have the video for that. I can do it before and after. Content creation, guys.
Welcome back around. Somebody enjoy the ride. What's right? You can't put the up over the left bars. Exit towards your left. Now, the rest of the
They're wondering if Mile High Wall is going to open